Hello and welcome back. Today is day 13 of the unemployment life cycle. Um, Technically, we missed a day yesterday, but I'm completely fine with that. As I was just doing some work really, but just to update you, I was doing some more of that project. Uh, it's getting pretty good, you know. It saves some stuff to a CSV, saves to text files, the balance for that expense thing. If you know, you know. The next thing I'm going to do is connect it to an SQL database, and then I'm going to try and do some sort of hosting of it online, which I haven't learned yet. But that brings us to uh, today's topic ish. Well, is I've been learning. This is all. This is just this. Oh, crap. Oh my god, I almost just went. This really interesting website that teaches you how to learn. Uh, yeah, how to learn Go with tests. So the main thing about this is the TDD life cycle, right? TDD cycle, which is you write a failing test, you make the test work, and then you refactor, e.g., making everything good. That's the thing. So you have a task. You write a test for the task so that when it does work, the test will work. It obviously won't work. You're not done the code for it. Then you write the code for the test, and then you make the code good, basically. So that's what this guy does. Like here, write the test first, try to run the test, doesn't work, write enough code to make it pass, refactor. Pretty cool, right? So I've been learning. I've been learning about testing, and I'm ready to make some more stuff tomorrow. This has so many things. I've only just been looking at basic stuff here, but it has so many things down here, like concurrency, like dependency injection, apparently to do with structs, um, which I don't want to. No, we're not going to read over right now. Loads of things like yeah, mocking. I don't know what that is. Counts out from three preteens. Oh right, so it's like waiting and stuff. Okay. And then we got more interesting stuff. So there's more. And then building an application, a HTTP server. That's what I'm waiting for. So that's the plan, really. Just gonna keep going on with this. Not really got much to say. Something quite fun though. Oh frick! Trying to install Arch on the old laptop, the really old one. Oh no! What is that? It doesn't work. Crap! I'm gonna have to try and fix that. BRB. Great news, we have fixed it. Now it's doing it again. As you can see, very small in the thing, all of the wiring. But don't worry, we got Ubuntu on this bad boy. But I watched a PewDiePie video, literally just now, where he talks about being done with Google, and he goes about saying about how all this Linux things changed all of his things. So it's changed, his whole security thing, and he's found so many different things on so many different alternatives. He even changed his OS on his phone, which is mental. I kind of want to do it because this phone's so bad. Um, and that's gonna be about it. I'll just done some more progress. Don't know what I'm gonna name this video because I've already got one that's named. I'm just gonna call it something like learning, maybe. I don't know. But then tomorrow I really want to crack on. I just need to stop turning on this computer. Like these two screens get so distracted. I just need to cut out the distractions of this and just use my ordinary laptop and maybe just sit somewhere else. Or like, I wish there was like a library, or I don't know if I can just go to the library or something. I don't know. Anyway, that's about it. Short one. See you tomorrow. A lot more progress done. Hopefully, I have that SQL stuff all done, and I'll talk about Arch as well. I use Arch, by the way. Bye. See you tomorrow.